What's up, guys? So today we're going to be unboxing a deck from BLCNY. Pretty much waited a little bit over a month for it to get here, so I'm super hyped. The wait is finally over. Alright, so we got this really cool keychain. Got a BLCNY sticker, sheet of tape, and here's the deck. Really cool purple top ply. And I went with the Bong Boy graphic. I wanted this graphic ever since I first saw it. So I'm super hyped that there was a restock on it and I was able to grab one in my size and mold. So we got 26mm in the lounge mode, and I went with a regular popsicle shape. All right, let's get it open. So the ply colors are purple, red, and I'm not sure what the bottom ply color is. It might be natural maple. Not too sure, I can barely see it. But overall, super clean craftsmanship. Lacquer is great. Countersinks are great. It just feels really good in hand. Alright, so I'm gonna put the grip and the trucks on, and we'll put the wheels on together. So I'm gonna be putting on some Joy Coat Light 3.0s in the white colorway. Here's the grip job, super clean. Also picked up some new obstacles. Got this dynamic clone. I really wish Dynamic still made these, but since they don't, I just picked up this clone instead. And I also grabbed this curb from Vidium Concrete, company out in Spain. I was browsing Flatface one night and I noticed that Mike had some in stock, so I just had to grab it. Back to the BLCNY deck. So far, I really like it. Definitely worth the wait. It meets all my requirements. The lounge mode is a really nice mellow mode. Feels good. The deck itself is a bit shorter than all my other decks, but that doesn't affect the performance at all. So yeah, shout out BLCNY. I'm happy with my purchase, and catch you guys later. Peace.